Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am Anjum Shafiq, your biology teacher for grade 10, and today I am going to discuss the exercise of chapter number 16. So let's start. So let's start from the multiple choice question. The first question is, which of the following is the abiotic component of the ecosystem? So dear students, हमने दो कंपोनेंट्स स्टडी किए थे इकोसिस्टम के, बायोटिक एंड एबायोटिक. बायोटिक में लिविंग थिंग्स थे, लिविंग कंपोनेंट्स थे, और एबायोटिक में नॉन लिविंग. सो एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स ओवर हियर is alpha option is producers, no my dear students, that is the biotic component. Beta option is herbivores, that is also biotic component of ecosystem. Option Charlie is carnivores, that is also biotic component of the ecosystem. And option delta is oxygen. So that is the abiotic component of an ecosystem. So it is our correct option. Here we have another question. When we eat onions, our trophic level is. So dear students, trophic level हमने बात की थी. The level at which an organism feeds is called as the trophic level. तो अगर हम अनियन खाएंगे, मतलब कि प्याज खाएंगे, और प्याज क्या है? इट्स अ प्लांट. तो प्लांट को जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स खाते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड एज, यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सो दे आर कॉल्ड एज द प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स. सो द ऑप्शन अल्फा इज करेक्ट फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन, द प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स. Secondary consumers, they are the consumers which eat the primary consumers, means the animals. And decomposers, they eat both consumers, means the herbivores as well as the carnivores. Also the producers. And delta option is producer. So the producer, that is itself a plant. So the correct option for this question is a primary consumer. When we are eating onions, our trophic level is primary consumer. Next question is, identify the correctly matched pair. So rainfall, biotic factor in ecosystem, no dear students, that is not biotic, that is non-biotic or abiotic component. Global warming, formation of fossil fuels, no dear students, formation of fossil fuels, that is something else, and global warming, that is something else, so that is also mismatched. Renewable natural resource, that is air, so that is a correct matched pair. So the correct option for this question is Charlie, that says the renewable natural resource is and air. Next question is, in the food chain, tree, caterpillar, robin, hawk, and coit, which is the secondary consumer? तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर किसे कहते हैं? जो प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर पे डिपेंडेंट होते हैं. सो हियर द सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर इज द रॉबिन. यस डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सो ऑप्शन अल्फा इज कैटरपिलर. सो कैटरपिलर इज फीडिंग ऑन ट्री, सो इट इज द प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर. रॉबिन इज फीडिंग ऑन कैटरपिलर, सो दैट वन इज द secondary consumer. So the correct option is the beta option, that is robin. Here is another question. In an ecosystem, the flow of dash is one way while the dash is /r constantly recycled. So the in ecosystem, the flow of option alpha is minerals is one way. No dear students, that is not correct. So in ecosystem, the flow of energy is one way. Yes, it is correct, while the minerals are constantly recycled. Yes, dear students, that is the correct option for this question. Here we have another question. In the food chain, grass, rabbit, fox, bear, mushroom, how many types of decomposers are present? So dear students, grass is a plant, that's a producer. Rabbit, it's a primary consumer. Fox, it is a secondary consumer. While bear, it is a tertiary consumer. While mushroom, that is a fungus, it is a decomposer. So in this food chain, only one decomposer is present, that is mushroom. So the correct answer for this question is alpha, that is 1. Here we have another question. Organisms in the ecosystem that are responsible for the recycling of plant and animal wastes are. So dear students, इकोसिस्टम के अंदर वो कौन से ऐसे ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं जो कि प्लांट्स और एनिमल वेस्ट को रिसाइकल करते हैं? Are they producers? No dear students. Are they consumers? No dear students. Are they competitors? No my dear students. So the only option remaining is Charlie. It says decomposers. So decomposers are the organisms which recycle the plant and animal waste. So the correct option is Charlie, the decomposers. Here we have another question. Which form of nitrogen is taken by the producers of the ecosystem? So dear students, producers ecosystem के कौन हैं? They are the plants. So किस फॉर्म में वो नाइट्रोजन को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं या किस फॉर्म में नाइट्रोजन को हासिल करते हैं या एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं फ्रॉम द रूट्स और फ्रॉम एनीथिंग? सो द ऑप्शन अल्फा इज nitrogen gas. No dear students, they cannot directly take or utilize the nitrogen gas from the environment. Option beta is ammonia. No dear students, they also do not take ammonia. Option Charlie is nitrites. No dear students, they do not absorb or take nitrites from the ecosystem. So the only option remaining is nitrates. Yes dear students, that is the correct answer for this question, because nitrates are formed from the nitrites and nitrites are formed from the ammonia. So that was a process which we have discussed in the nitrogen cycle. So these nitrates are taken up by the plants and these are again converted back into ammonia, and from ammonia they make their amino groups for using them in making amino acids or proteins or enzymes or hormones, whatever they want. So the correct option for this question is delta, that says nitrates. So dear students, hopefully आज का लेक्चर भी आपको क्लैरिफाई हो गया होगा. इसमें तमाम MCQs और शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन के हवाले से जो भी कन्फ्यूजन थी दूर हो गई होगी. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में नए चैप्टर के साथ. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.